Hey there! In this video, I'm going to explain the Tools section of Wappfusion. In the Tools section, clicking on the API Keys section will redirect you to the API Keys page. By clicking on the Add Key button, you will see the Add API Key overlay. Type the API key name, then select the API key permissions. Then by clicking the Submit button, you will see the API key you have created here. If you want to see the API Keys documentation, you can click the Docs button here. Then by clicking on the Webhooks section, you will be redirected to the Webhooks page. Here you can add a webhook by clicking the Add Webhook button. By clicking the button, you will see the Add Webhook overlay. Type the webhook name and select the receive event you need, such as SMS, WhatsApp, USSD, or notification. These events will be sent to your webhook URL via POST method. Then, type your webhook URL where all the payload data will be sent via POST method. And by clicking the Submit button, you will see the webhook you have just created here. And if you want to see the documentation for webhooks, you can click the Docs button here. Then by clicking on the Actions section, you will be redirected to the Actions page. Here you can add a hook action by clicking the Hook button. By clicking the Hook button, you will see the Add Hook Action overlay. Type the hook action name, select the source of the event, it can be SMS or WhatsApp, and then choose the event that will invoke this hook. Finally, type the hook link structure, which is the URL that will be invoked by the system, and then by clicking the Submit button, you will see the hook action you have just created here. And if you want to create an auto-reply action, just click the auto-reply button here. By clicking the auto-reply button, you will see the Add Auto-Reply Action overlay. Type the action name and select the source of the event. It can be SMS or WhatsApp. Then choose the match type for detecting keywords. Select the mobile device. Mine is selected. And choose the SIM slot. Type the keywords here, separated by commas to trigger the auto-reply. Lastly, type your reply message here. Then by clicking the Submit button, you will see the auto-reply action you have just created here. And if you want to see the documentation for actions, you can click the Docs button on the Actions page. Then by clicking on the Templates section, you will be redirected to the Templates page. Here you can add a message template by clicking the Add Template button. Then you will see the Add Template overlay. Type the name of the template here, and then enter your template format. Then by clicking the Submit button, you will see the message template you have just added here.